Good morning, friends. This is Shriyar from Crazy Money with Shri, and today is 15th of October, and today is Thursday, option expiry day. And let me tell you what is going to happen in the market for today, and what you need to do as a trader, and how you can take the advantage of the situation right now, what to do, what not to do. So, if you're not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and click on the like button for this video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. So let's get started with what exactly is happening in the market, what you need to do, what exactly happened yesterday. I told you yesterday that no matter what the decision is going to come with the case of the Supreme Court decision, which I don't see any thing which is going to differ from what it had told earlier. So it is going to be definitely bad for the bank, and the entire decision now has been pushed on to November 2nd. So till November 2nd, nobody will talk about this. So this entire issue is actually far from over. And as per the charts, I told you also, Bank Nifty has come into the bull market and it is going to continue from here. So the markets are looking quite strong because banks are going to support, but pharma is looking weak. Pharma has started deteriorating. Slowly, IT is actually getting weaker. So IT and pharma probably will get into a correction mode, whereas banking will become stronger and try to hold the market. That's what I can see at this point of time. So you need to look at that and see how you can take the decisions. Overall, the US market actually corrected a bit further from day before yesterday. Yesterday it had corrected. Now again it has corrected. The European markets were flattish. So overall, actually, I don't see any reversal as such even in the US market. It's only a correction, and probably this volatility is going to continue because we are in a congestion area. As I have told you, we are in an area where from here, if you talk about S&P, we are reaching back to we are above the previous all-time high, but we are nearby to the new high which was made. So from there is a little amount of pressure which has come, and similar to Nasdaq also, it's a similar thing happening. And if you talk about Dow Jones, we have still not completed the all-time high. So at the higher levels, there is definitely a lot of pressure which is going to come. So this is a congestion area, as I have told you. So this volatility is going to continue, but overall the market momentum is looking quite strong, and probably market will continue to move higher. Volatility could increase because of this presidential election and the stimulus talks, and stimulus talks probably keep on they may keep on telling it will not happen, and next actually all of a sudden there is some move in that. And so these things will continue to happen. See, that's only news, and they can overall I see things should actually take some kind of a move. Either it will have before the election or after the election. See, the entire legislation can get passed after the election, but overall I think they have to come to a consensus. They may come to consensus faster also, because overall they have come very close. If I have to see from 1.2 to 2.4, from that place they have come $1.8 trillion. So it's very quite clear by. So they may actually start agreeing, may not be completely, but partially they may always do it. So there could be a lot of things which will happen, and I think nobody is actually interested to lose this presidential election. So this volatility political thing is going to continue to happen. So that is there. And now something which we have to see, very important thing is, either the market will go extraordinary bullish after the US presidential election, or it will probably go down from here. We have to see what is the market going to do, because looking at the way the things are happening, November 2nd is this court case which is going to happen, and November 3rd is presidential election, and November 3rd is also the day when Nirav Modi's trial actually is getting tested in the UK court. So all these things are somewhere related. Something or the other is going to happen, which is probably going to decide the direction. At this point of time, market direction is clearly positive. But again, sector specific things are actually probably going to make shifts, so we need to be a little careful on that. But overall, market momentum looks quite positive. So that's what I can see. And at this point of time, if I look at the futures, it shows that we may actually start either a gap up or probably a flattish. Looking at the option future, it looks like we are opening with a gap up only, so that looks quite good. And if that happens, now between 12,012 to 12,072 there is a important gap resistance, and at the gap resistance there is a possibility of selling pressure which is going to come in. One is because of the gap resistance. Secondly, today is option expiry day. I don't see any big movement coming in, and this particular entire area between 12,000 to 12,500 is a big congestion area, and I don't see it will be a smooth ride for it to move just way ahead till 12,500. So it will actually keep moving higher, coming down, moving higher, coming down. That is going to happen. So you have to be in and out of the market and look at the stock specific, sector specific. You have to get in, get out, get in, get out. You cannot actually keep on holding to anything, because there is a very high probability that those stocks actually can come down and again go up, come down again go up. All those things are possible. It is going to be extremely volatile. But overall momentum is very positive, so don't get into a short until and unless you are clear about the stock, which stock you want to short, and short only at the higher levels so that you will be benefited. And looking at the commodities, they have again come into a consolidation mode. As I told you, overall the strength is actually looking weaker for gold, silver and crude, but momentum is still there, so it is a more of a sideways kind of a movement. So that is probably going to continue till this election is over, and then only there will be any kind of big drastic move which I can see. But overall, sell on rallies is expected there, and buy on dips in the stock market is what we can expect. So that's what I can see at this point of time, guys. There are a lot of things which are happening. I'll be announcing many more things coming forward. I may be starting I started the morning ritual with my students. I want to extend it with every one of you, so stay tuned what actually we are doing and how it is going to impact your lives. A lot many things are going to happen with that. Second thing is to do with the traders club. There's a lot more things which are happening there. Trade with Sri is a new concept which I'm coming with. That is what exactly I am trading, what exactly I will trade if I am actually in your position with your capital. How do I do the trade? What you will have to do is just copy and paste the exact trade at the exact timing, at the exact pricing. What I suggest you, if you just follow this, a lot of things can actually change for you. How that can happen and all, you can stay tuned on my swing trading ideas to get information on that. I'll be actually announcing these things very soon this week. It's going to be action packed. Lots of things are actually happening, and so lot more things you can expect from me in the coming days. I'll become getting a lot more experts in various fields to help you out in various walks of your life. It's not only learning only technical analysis will not help you. Overall development is very important. How to actually handle the stress, the mindfulness is important for you. How to actually achieve your goals, that is very important for you. How to actually manage your finance is very important. So there's a lot more things which you need to do about attracting wealth and many more things. So I'll be getting the right kind of experts in this field to come and help you out in this. And so guys, if you are liking this community and liking this audience, go and share it with all your friends. Let everybody get benefited. Let us spread this abundance, and let's make everybody rich and happy and successful. That's what is my mission. I want to create at least 100 billionaires by 2030 who are all going to be starting from scratch. So that is my mission right now, and that's where I am actually working. I want to create the biggest community of givers, and that is a ripple effect which I want to create. And I want to ensure that you also help more people, so that they will help more people, and they will help more people, and they will help more people. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great and profitable day. Thank you.